Hello friends, let's move on to question number 4. The taxi charges in Hyderabad are fixed along with the charge for the distance covered. For 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 220 rupees. For a distance of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 310 rupees. So I just written whatever was given in the question. For 10 kilometers, the charge is 220 rupees. For 15 kilometers, the charge is 310 rupees. Here, they asked us what are the fixed charges and charge per kilometer. So here in the cost, there will be two types of cost. One is fixed cost and one is variable cost. Okay. What is fixed cost and what is variable cost? Fixed cost is nothing but the cost that remains same irrespective of the distance traveled. Okay. The cost that remains same irrespective of the distance that is traveled. What is variable cost? Variable cost is nothing but the cost that varies depends upon the distance how much we have traveled. Okay, if we travel more distance, then the variable cost will be more. If we travel less distance, then the variable cost will be less. So here the cost that is incurred which depends upon the distance we have traveled. Okay, here let us how to find the fixed cost and variable cost. Okay, there is a formula. This formula is important. Variable cost, here they have asked us fixed charges and charge per kilometer implies variable charge. Okay, so variable charge per kilometer equals to variable charge per kilometer, right? Here this can be written as difference. See here, charge implies charge is always in rupees, paid no. So difference in payment divided by difference in kilometers. Then you will get variable charge per kilometer. Variable means it will be varied, right? So that is why this is the formula, difference in payment divided by difference in kilometers. What is the payment here? This can be written as 310 minus 220 divided by what is kilometers? 15 minus 10. Okay, 15 minus 10. So 310 minus 220, it becomes 90 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. So this becomes rupees 18 per kilometer. This will be what? Variable charge per kilometer is 18 rupees per kilometer. Okay, charge per kilometer is 18 rupees. Therefore charge per kilometer equals to rupees 18. Okay, so here what are the fixed charges they have asked? So here how many kilometers? For 10 kilometers, let us find out the fixed charge. Fixed charge can be find out how? I'll tell you. Fixed charge. So usually we found for 10 kilometers, how much here they have charged? 220 rupees, right? So 220 rupees they have charged. Here we have found out variable cost, right? So for 10 kilometers, for 1 kilometer, variable cost is 18 rupees. For 10 kilometers, how much it becomes? It becomes 18 into 10 by 1. We have learned this in our earlier classes like class 2 or class 3. We have learned cross multiplication. So it becomes 180 rupees. So variable cost for 10 kilometers. So total cost minus variable cost, what do you get? Fixed cost, because we know that total cost equals to fixed cost plus variable cost. Correct. What is total cost here? Total cost is 220 rupees. So that implies 220 equals to fixed cost plus how much? What is variable cost here? It is 180. Therefore fixed cost equals to 220 minus 180. 220 minus 180, that is equals to 40. So it will be 40 rupees. So fixed cost equals to 40 rupees. Understood? So what is the second sub question that they asked us? How much does they pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So again same. the second sub question. Here fixed cost, what did I tell you here in the concept? Fixed cost remains the same irrespective of the distance how much we travel. Here how many kilometers they told? Here distance is 25 kilometers. Correct. First let us find variable cost. Variable cost, how much it is? 18 rupees per kilometer, right? So 18 into 25. 18 into 25. For 1 kilometer it is 18 rupees. For 25 kilometers how much it becomes? 18 into 25. 18 into 5. 90. 18 into 36. 9. 45. So variable cost will be 450 rupees. What is fixed cost? Fixed cost we find out, right? 40 rupees. This remains same for irrespective of how many distance kilometers it is. The fixed cost remains same. So fixed cost. Fixed cost will be how much? Fixed cost equals to 40 rupees. Correct? 40 rupees. Total how much it will be? 450 plus 40. It becomes rupees 490. This will be the total charge. Total charge for 25 kilometers. Okay, will be 490 rupees. So let me explain this question again. In the question, whatever was given in the question I have written here. For 10 kilometers the charge is 220. For 15 kilometers it is 310. Cost is of two types, fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost is nothing but the cost which remains same irrespective of the distance traveled, and the variable cost is nothing but the cost which varies depending upon the change in the distance. Okay, change in kilometers. So variable charge per kilometer can be found with the formula of difference in payment divided by difference in kilometers. So when you apply this formula, what is the value you get? You will get a variable charge. Charge is in rupees. So per kilometer it will be 18 rupees per kilometer. This is variable cost. Okay. So I have substituted in one of the form. Anything you can substitute. Here for 10 kilometers I have taken because that is smaller, no? So values also it will be simply you can calculate. It will be simple. So for 10 kilometers what did they give? They gave that the total cost is, this is total cost. For 10 kilometers this is total cost or charge. Total charge is 220 rupees. For 10 kilometers it was given. I will find first the variable cost. Okay, for 1 kilometer it is 18 rupees. For 10 kilometers it becomes 18 into 10. It becomes how much? 180 rupees. This is variable cost for 10 kilometers 180 rupees. So we know that total cost equals to, here total cost equals to fixed cost plus variable cost. Okay, same I have applied fixed cost plus variable cost. Variable cost we got 180 rupees. Fixed cost we don't know. By these we'll simplify and we'll found out this fixed cost. Fixed cost is 40 rupees. Okay. So for the first answer, fixed cost is 40 rupees and charge per kilometer is 18 rupees. The second sub question they have asked is the total cost for 25 kilometers. So for 25 kilometers, first find out the variable cost. So for 1 kilometer it is 18 rupees. For 25 kilometers how much? Same. Here we did right multiplication 18 into 10. Same way 18 into 25. We'll get 450. Fixed cost, it remains same for how many kilometers it is there. Fixed cost will be always same. So 450 plus 40, total cost will be 490. So this is the solution. So remember the formula. The formula is very important. You have to write it in your exam also. So this is the solution. I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.